Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Lukman and my student ID is 160462118. Today I want to share about my favorite foreign movies and it's Ip Man 2. Maybe some of you already know this film. It's Chinese martial arts movie directed by Wilson Yip. And the main character Ip Man is played by Donnie Yen. The story takes place in Hong Kong. Back in the 1950s, and it continues the journey of Ip Man after he moved from Fosun to start a new life. If you have watched the first Ip Man movies, you probably know that he used to live in Fosun, where he was already respected by Wing Chun master. But after the Japanese invasion, he lost almost everything. So in Ip Man 2, we see him trying to rebuild his life and share his martial arts knowledge by opening Wing Chun school in Hong Kong. That part really shows his strong spirit. Even after so much, he still stays humble and keeps moving forward. The reason why I really love this movie is not just because of amazing fight scene, because of the meaning behind them. Ip Man 2 isn't only about martial arts or power, it's about discipline, respect, and staying true to your values no matter what. Every fight in this movie actually has message behind it. For example, when Ip Man face of other master, he doesn't fight to show off, but to prove that Wing Chun deserves respect just like any other style. I think that's really powerful. Ip Man character also teach us how to stay calm even in difficult situation. No matter how others treat him, he never loses his patience or honor. He's the kind of person who leads by example, not by shooting or showing off. Honestly, I think that's one reason why this film stand out compared to other action movies, because it has heart. Now let's talk a bit about the main character. First, of course, there's Ip Man, played by Donnie Yen. His wise, discipline, and believes that martial arts should build character, not ego. Then there's Master Hung, played by Sammo Hung. At first, he and Ip Man don't get along because they have different ways to thinking, but later, after fighting each other, they learn to respect one and another deeply. I really like that part because it shows how respect can grow even between people who start as rivals. And then there's a twister, British boxer played by Darren Sahlavi. He's strong but arrogant, and he doesn't respect Chinese martial arts. The fight between him and Ip Man isn't just a physical battle. It's more like fight between two cultures, East and West. When Ip Man finally beat him, it feels like a win not just for him, but for Chinese pride. One of my favorite scenes is when Ip Man gives a short speech after defeating Twister. Instead of celebrating or being proud, he says something like, I hope we can respect each other, regardless of our race or background. This really hit me because it shows how wise and powerful, peace, and peaceful he is. He wins not just by fighting, but by showing humility. And the ending gets even better. A young boy visits Ip Man, and later we find out that the boy is Bruce Lee. That moment always give me goosebumps. because it shows how Ip Man legacy continues through his students. So, what can we learn from Ip Man 2? For me, the biggest lessons are about humility, preference, and respect. It teaches us that being strong isn't about being violent, but about having control and understanding others. I also think this movie reminds us that culture and tradition are something we should be proud of, but at the same time, we should also respect others who are different from us. Personally, after watching Ip Man 2, I started to think more about how we deal with challenge in life. Yeah, I mean that's enough from me. Thank you guys for listening, and thank you.